is up everyone? This is White Academy and my name is Mike. In this video, we'll be looking at composite functions. Now, composite functions, these are just functions which you're going to combine, okay? Where we come up with two functions and then we combine together so that we can solve something that cannot be solved directly. Okay, so now this is still under calculus, which you did. If some of you are not actually, you didn't follow the introduction to calculus, I would like to urge you so that you can go back to our YouTube channel and watch the video so that it can actually help you to understand what we're going to do concerning the composite function. Okay, so now we are going to look at something. For example, if you have a function called y equals to 3x minus 2, then to the power 5. Okay, so when you have a function like this, okay, it becomes so difficult for you to just differentiate this function directly. So what's going to happen now is that we have to find a proper way, or rather, a method which is going to help us to just, differentiate it so nice and so simple. Okay, so what you're going to do is you say, you let this function, this term inside the bracket, which is let this equals to 3x minus 2. Okay, and then what you're going to do now is, therefore, this y is now equal to, you get this one, you plug it now back into that, and then it's going to actually give us something like this. Once you do that now, you can now differentiate separately, okay? You can differentiate separately this is u is the function of x, y is the function of u. So we can now differentiate separately. So we are going to say this, okay, this one, okay, so I'm going to say dy over du. So this is going to be, as we know, the power multiplied by the coefficient is going to be 5u to the power 4. So that is 5u to the power 4. And then also this one is u is the function of x, so we differentiate this with respect to x. So du over dx, okay, it's going to be just, this is a constant, so that's 0, this is that, so we're just going to add that. Now, what we're going to do again, what you're going to do now is that you can now say, therefore, dy over dx, okay, equals to dy, okay, over du multiplied by du over dx. Okay. Now from there, you can have now, you can replace 5u to the power 4 multiplied by 3. Okay? And now, what you're going to get is this dy over dx, okay? dy over dx, which is saying 5u to the power 4 multiplied by 3. So now we know that u is this function, right? U is this function. And then we're going to say 3 times 5, open bracket. Then we plug this now back into the dy dx. So 3x minus 2, then to the power 4. So dy over dx equals to 15, okay? It's going to become 15, and then open bracket, okay? 3x minus 2 to the power 4, okay? And you will discover that then be able to discover that the answer is just this now. So that's a kind of a thing that you must be able to understand. When you are differentiating, a function that is raised to a higher power, okay? And this is the procedure that you are you need to follow so that you can be able to understand how you can go about differentiating such functions or polynomials of higher degrees that you can ever come across. So thanks guys for watching. This is a Radical Academy. If you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss this kind of videos. So it's bye-bye, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.